Understanding lasagna layers in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the interesting phrase, lasagna layers. It's a metaphorical expression that can add flavor to your English conversations. Let's explore its meaning and usage. Lasagna layers refers to the multiple layers in a lasagna, a popular Italian dish. In English, this phrase is used metaphorically to describe a situation, concept, or argument that has many different levels or aspects. Just like a lasagna is made up of different layers of pasta, sauce, and cheese, a complex issue can have many layers of meaning or complexity. Now, let's see how lasagna layers is used in everyday English. 1. Discussing a problem. This issue has several lasagna layers to it, making it quite complex to solve. 2. In business meetings, our marketing strategy is like lasagna layers. Each part is crucial and adds to the overall success. 3. In education, this topic has many lasagna layers, so let's peel them back one by one to understand it fully. While lasagna layers doesn't have a specific origin story, it's a great example of how English speakers use food metaphors to describe complex ideas. This usage shows the creativity and playfulness of the language. To use lasagna layers effectively, understand the context. Make sure the situation involves multiple layers or aspects. Be playful. It's a fun, informal phrase, so it's great for casual conversations. Explain if needed. If your listener is unfamiliar with the phrase, be ready to explain it. And that's a wrap on lasagna layers. Remember, English is full of such flavorful expressions that make learning it exciting. Hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.